Excalibur Token. Disabling session manipulation when a location mock is detected. Excalibur allows you to control your client's sessions in the token. To unlock your client session, just click on the Sessions Options button. Select the desired action and provide the required factors. After these steps, you have successfully unlocked your session. The unlocked sessions are marked with a green dot. Let's lock the session and try to mock your phone's location. Excalibur app detects the location mock immediately. Unlocking of all your sessions is now disabled. When trying to unlock a session, you are asked to scan the QR from the client's screen to ensure that you are at the same location as the client. Actions that use location factors such as login, show password or register are also being restricted. Set Home geofence functionality is fully disabled until the location mock is active.